The frame of the solar panel is removed by the frame removal machine. Remove more than 80% of the glass on the photovoltaic panel by a glass remover. This is the photovoltaic panel after removing the glass. Photovoltaic solar panels with filters and glass removed enter a dual-shaft shredder. The biaxial shredder shreds the photovoltaic panels into strips. Next, the material will enter the crusher. The crusher crushes the material into small pieces of 1 to 2 centimeters. Through negative pressure feeding, these small pieces will enter the fine grinder. The negative pressure conveying process is completely enclosed, which reduces dust pollution and improves conveying efficiency. The fine grinder we configure is with return material. If the particle size is unqualified, it will be returned to the fine grinder. Qualified sizes enter the air separator. The metal powder is screened out from one side of the air separator. The other side is plastic and a small amount of metal. These plastics and a small amount of metal enter the electrostatic separator. These are metal powder and larger silicon particles. These are plastic. Silica fume and a small amount of glass are centrally excluded from Shacklin. Our entire production line is a negative pressure state equipped with a pulse dust removal system. High recycling efficiency for solar photovoltaic panels.